Hey there, design enthusiasts. I'm Josh with Brand Worldwide. Today, we are diving into Catia V6, also known as 3D Experience. Whether you're a seasoned Catia V5 veteran or a complete newbie, we've got something for you. So buckle up, grab a mouse, and let's get designing. Alright, let's start with the basics. Catia V6, or 3D Experience, is the latest and greatest from Dassault Systems. Think of it as Catia V5's cooler, smarter, younger sibling who went to design school in Paris. So what's new? Well, Catia V6 isn't just a facelift. It's a full-on transformation. Imagine going from a rusty old sedan to a sleek, self-driving electric car. Catia V6 is all about integration. It's not just a CAD tool, it's an entire ecosystem. It's like upgrading from a single-player game to an epic multiplayer universe where everyone's invited. Now let's talk differences. Here's a big one. The user interface. If Catia V5's interface was your old comfy sweater, Catia V6's UI is a stylish new jacket. It's cleaner, more intuitive, and it's just plain pretty. Let's get you familiar with the interface. Here's some quick tips to get you started. The compass. This little guy in the top left corner is your best friend. Use it to access different workspace tools. It's like a Swiss Army knife, but digital. You can navigate between design, simulation, and a lot of other apps in here. And it's simple, just one click. The action bar located at the bottom, well, it has all of your favorite tools. Keep them organized and within reach. You can drag and drop different icons into different places and personalize your workspace. The ribbon-style interface organizes tools in a way that makes them easier to find. No more digging through endless toolbars or hunting through menus to find what you're looking for. Just look at it. And even though the icons are still there, you can do this. Tool names right on the bottom. The tree. On the left, you're going to find the specification tree. It's like the family tree of your design. Every part, feature, and sketch is listed right over here. Click around and navigate through your design. Right-click on items in the tree and it gives you a quick access to contextual commands. 3D navigation hasn't changed since V5. Hold down the middle mouse button and that's going to let you pan your model. Hold down the left mouse button, click, and middle mouse button, and that's going to let you rotate. If you middle mouse button click and click left or right, that's going to let you zoom in by moving your mouse. It's almost as easy as Pi or CAD. You can also use a space mouse if you want some really intuitive navigation. Integration with Enovia. Now, I know what you're thinking, but Catia V5 also integrates with Enovia, and you're absolutely right. But the thing is, Catia V6 takes that integration and turns it up to 11. In Catia V5, Enovia integration was there, but it often felt like you were dealing with two separate systems trying to play nice together. You had to juggle between the CAD environment and the PLM system, which sometimes feels like you're trying to pat your head and rub your belly at the same time. Efficient? Sure, but not exactly seamless. Enter Catia V6 and the 3D Experience platform. This is where the magic happens with Catia V6. Enovia isn't just an add-on, it's an integral part of the design experience. Imagine designing in a universe where all of your design data, documentation, and project management tools coexist harmoniously. No more file hunting, no more version control headaches, no more "oops, I saved it in the wrong folder" moments. A key part of this Enovia integration is the search bar. If you ever had the displeasure of using Catia V5 and Enovia search, this is not that. You can use the search bar at the top to quickly find parts and materials. It's like having a GPS for your design journey. Custom workspaces. You can create and save custom workspaces tailored to specific tasks. Whether you're focusing on part design, assembly, or simulation, having a dedicated workspace can boost your productivity. Cloud-based collaboration. Design from your office, your couch, or your favorite coffee shop. With cloud-based collaboration, Your team can work together in real time from anywhere. It's like having a virtual office where you can brainstorm, design, and iterate without being tied to a single location. Enhanced 3D modeling tools. V6 brings a whole new suite of tools for creating complex shapes and surfaces. It's that Swiss Army knife of modeling that I talked about before. With tools like the image and shape and natural sketch, you can create organic shapes with the freedom of surfaces more easily than before. Lifecycle management. Track your project from concept to production without breaking a sweat. Catia V6 handles the nitty-gritty so you can focus on the fun stuff. With integrated project management tools, you can oversee every single stage of your product's development. Enabled systems design. Catia V6 also includes powerful tools for designing and simulating embedded systems. This is perfect for industries like automotive and aerospace, where software and hardware integration is key. 3D Experience Platform. The entire 3D Experience Platform offers a unified user experience. Whether you're using CATIA, Simula, Enovia, or Delmia, it's all interconnected. This means smoother transitions between different aspects of your project. One of the biggest advantages for Catia V6 is digital continuity. That means that all of your data from design to manufacturing is seamlessly connected. No more data silos or loss of information during handovers. Improved rendering and visualization. With enhanced rendering capabilities, you can create photorealistic visuals of your designs. And that's great for presentations and for getting the true sense of how your product is going to look in the real world. And there you have it, a quick introduction to Catia V6, the future of 3D design. Whether you're creating the next generation of electric cars or designing a futuristic toaster, Catia V6 has got you covered. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any more updates. And as always, happy designing!